How to find and remove check-ins on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can find and remove check-ins on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find and remove check-ins on Facebook, go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application. Click your profile icon from the top left in order to come to your profile page. Once you come to your profile page, beside the edit profile button you'll find the three dots icon. Make sure to click on the three dots icon. As you do that, over here you'll find the option called activity log, so go to activity log. Once you go to activity log, at the very top you'll find the option called public post, so click on the public post option. And once you click on public post, it will automatically show you all of your check-ins. Now in case you want to filter it, you can just click on this little filter icon that you can find here, and from the bottom of the screen go ahead and select the option called categories. And right here you can see your post, check-ins, photos and videos, so you want to make sure that this option is checked. After you've done that, simply come back, select all of these check-ins over here if you want, and if you want to delete them, from the bottom of the screen you'll find recycle bin option. Click on it and then these will get successfully deleted. This way you will be able to find and remove check-ins on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.